Yo, what's going on everybody? This is Poogie Monster with a brand new video. Today I will teach you how to install Gameboy Color on your PC. So let's get started. So you want to head over to this website. It's called sameboy.github.is. So the emulator is called sameboy. So once you get here, you want to go to download sameboy for Windows. You want to save that to your desktop. Once saved to your desktop, we're going to make a folder, call it sameboy Gameboy Color. Or you can call it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna call it sameboy Gameboy Color. So you can tell this is my emulator. So once you created that folder, we want to open the folder sameboy. I'm gonna go to sameboy exx. Double click on it. Hit extract all. So we're gonna extract all this to that folder. So I'm gonna browser. Go to your desktop. Go to the folder we just made. It's in the folder and hit extract. So once you have that, you'll have everything was in this folder in this. So now when you want to play your Game Boy Color, you're gonna go to this folder. So open it up. So go to sameboy exe. You will get something like this the first time you open it. And you want to hit more info. So run anyways. We'll get something like this. If you want to connect your control to your computer right now. You don't have to move no settings for that. And just hit your mouse button, click on it, and open ROMs. Also have options like audio and stuff like that. Control options too. So like I said, for the control options, all you have to do is connect your controller to your computer and it'll just know the inputs of your buttons of your controller. So let's open the game. So as you can see, you have this game, Pokemon Yellow version. You guys might be wondering, once month, where do I get the ROMs? How do I download the games? You have to do your own research. So just go to Google and research for the games. So make sure you own those games too, because it's illegal to download games that you don't own physically, the copy of it. So I own this one, Pokemon Yellow version for Game Boy Color. So once you have that, you want to open the ROM. It should start like this. Put full screen so it looks better. As you can see, it's working. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be posting more videos how to install other emulators. So make sure to check out my channel if I probably had some already. And if you have any questions or concerns, make sure to comment down below. I'll try to have my best to help you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.